Good morning, everybody. This is DDK on Sunday, July 14th. Today we're getting ready to smoke some more pork ribs. Baby back pork ribs. Isn't that terrible? I know you just hate it. But I gotta tell you, we're gonna do a new recipe today. And my wonderful boyfriend, that's him there. Smile for the camera there, Kenny. He's mixing up his dry rub for these baby back ribs. And I already pre-treated them with some wonderful little things that I want to show you. So we're gonna go all the way over here to my liquor cabinet, okay? We have a whole bunch of wonderful stuff up there. But today we decided that we were gonna use some Glenfiddich Scotch, actually, even though it's a whiskey. Single malt Scotch whiskey, okay? Glenfiddich, 12-year. All right, good stuff. And yeah, and you know, don't have Scotch envy or Scotch heart attack, but you know, I used them anyway, didn't ask them. I bought the bottle so I can use it. Anyway, I took some of this, about eighth of a cup. I took a tablespoon of honey, quarter teaspoon of celery seed, mixed it up in this glass with the pastry brush, and then I flipped them on both sides. This is one side that I put it on the back side, and then I flipped them and put some on the front side, and I cut little slices in between each rib with this nice sharp knife so that that marinade can seep right into the meat nice and slow over the next 2 hours before we put them on the smoker. Now these will take about 4 hours at 225 on the smoker, and that's okay because you want to do it slow, and you want these to just pull apart at the rib. That's how you know they're done. Besides, the internal temperature has to be around 160. So I hope you try this recipe. It is in my books, book 1, and it's a fabulous way to eat ribs. It's another way to just enjoy a good meat anyway. And you can get your baby back pork ribs at Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo or Flicker Meat Market on White Bear Avenue in White Bear Lake. So try any of those places. My books are at both those places, DDK Recipe Books, book 1 and book 2, $25 each. And we are donating $1 from each sale for the White Bear Lake Emergency Food Shelf. You can get them from the author, which is moi, at digit 612-859-3270, or send me an email at divadish67@gmail.com. Well, we gotta go because we gotta get these babies finished ready so we put them in the marinade in the fridge. Have a great Sunday. I hope you're enjoying your food and your wonderfulness. See you later, babies. Ciao.